Okay, I have two Windows instances running server software that I use for digital signage that customers connect to. Now I have one server that needs to be upgraded to T2 medium instead of micro. And so this raises a couple of concerns because I have a whole bunch of client computers that are connected to this IP address. Um, but when I upgrade the instance, I have to stop the instance and therefore lose this IP address. And so what I have to do is get a static IP address, which is an elastic IP address. And because I don't want the our monthly cost to go up too much, I'm also going to get some reserved instances, and just going to compare the prices here, right? So if I go to Windows, can I see default, offering class, standard, so T2 micro, T2 micro, term, 36 months, payment, no upfront, search. There's a 36-month term one, and the effective rate is 0.12 cents. Let's see. On-demand pricing. T2 micro is 0.16 cents, so it's minimal. Change is minimal. But it'll still save some money. So I'm going to go to add to cart. Average monthly recurring cost is $8.40. So what if I do all upfront? $278. 278 divided by 278 divided by 3 divided by 12. It says that's 7.7. So it's 70 cents off per month. But we're gonna use this, like for who knows how long. We're not planning on getting rid of it, so it'll add up. So I'm gonna add this to my cart without but not upfront. Okay. Oops. Shit. Alright, so let's look at the T2 medium. T2 medium. T2 medium, which I'm going to upgrade to Windows Standard for 6 months. Let's just do any, and then it'll show all of them, right? And so this is what I'll be working with. So if I do no upfront, it's 46. I already calculated this earlier, and it's like if I do all upfront, it'll be about $100 cheaper for the for the 3 years. So if I do it like this, but if I just do on demand, it'll be 6 cents. So it'll be the cost will be quite different. So getting a reserved instance will be best. And although it's $100 off, I'm just going to do this. The recurring cost $33. And then go back to T2 micro because I exited out of it. T2 micro. Upfront cost 0, add to cart. Okay. Average recurring cost $41. All right, so I'm going. This is going to. If you ensure to order all your reserve instances order will be submitted, and you're immediately charged any applicable upfront fees. But I don't have upfront fees, so I'm going to order now. Order all. Well, actually, let's delete the medium one until I actually do it. I ordered this T2 Micro. So if I go to reserved instances, I have one right here. Okay. All right, and if I go to Elastic IP, there it is. I don't want to allocate it right now because you're charged per hour when you allocate an IP address and don't connect it to an instance. But I just want to see it go happen right now. I have to contact on the customers to say that the server will go down. And I need a couple minutes to change the IP address on all the clients so that all the client computers so that they know where to communicate to. Those pool IP addresses, yes. If I click allocate, it'll give me this one. Okay, but I'm going to delete it. It's that simple. Okay. Yeah. So I guess I'll work on that once I contact all the customers. It's pretty simple on what I have to do. So, and the last thing that I would have to do is if I go to instances, all I would have to do is stop it. Instance settings. I would have to or stop. Stop. Not protection. I have to stop the instance. I'll manage instance state. And then I could I wonder if it's this. Well, once I have the IP, the Elastic IP, it'll be good. I'll be able to do it. I wonder why it says. Do they already? They don't purchase any Elastic IPs because I don't see any here. So I'm wondering why it says disassociate. Oh, I mean, I can't disassociate it. Okay. So what I'll probably do, attach network interface or something like that. I guess it'll be more obvious once I actually have the IP address to work with. Right, instance state. I would have to stop it to upgrade it, and then upgrade it to T2 media. Okay.